You reckon you have seen a birthday bash?
That singer kept a steady trail, but those kids, they were the real stars. Every soul here felt that rhythm, from the tiniest little dancers to the oldest trailhands. When the beat dropped, the whole floor just exploded. My friends were sure enough losing their minds. Moments like this remind a man why family is everything. It is just pure, unbridled happiness. Now look at this fella here, swinging his jacket in the dust. A total frontier legend.